It's 60 seconds to go, maybe less than that, counting down to the pre-opening rates. But Ashish Chaturmohta is Director and Head of Research at JM Financial Services. He's joining us right now. Ashish, good to have you with us here. Is it going to be up and away, through the course of the day? It looks like that. Little hesitation, especially given the handoff from US. What would you want to do?
Hi, good morning, Prashant. So yes, as you rightly mentioned, markets are trying to struggle around its 100 and 200-day moving average. We have been continuously, trading around 200-day moving average, which is close to 16,950, 960 trajectory, but yet not breached the 100-day moving average, which is around 16,750. So I think what we need is a decisive close above 17,200, 250 trajectory. Till then, I think this kind of volatility is going to be there, because even if it's a base building, then markets will take at least 3 to 5 trading sessions to create some kind of base and start crossing above 17,200, 250, and that's where the real short covering will start. So I think till then it's a wait and watch approach, and I think I would call it as a no trade zone, ideally from an index perspective. So I think we are in a wait and watch approach, and once we cross 17,250, that's the time I think any strong short covering can be seen in the market. In terms of individual picks, I think as you know, pharma stocks are showing very strong trend. In our last discussion also we mentioned about Dr. Reddy's, Divi's and Sun Pharma, and today I think Dr. Reddy is our top pick within the pharma basket. Stock has consolidated for a reasonably good 9 months time frame, and now we are seeing very strong buildup of long positions into the stock. So Dr. Reddy's could be bought at current levels with a stop around 4,300. On upside, 4,600 would be my short-term target. In the specialty chemical segment, Gujarat Fluorochemical is seeing a consistent buildup of a long position, strong delivery volume, and a very strong higher top, higher bottom formation. So this is one stock which will continue to show its outperformance. With a stop around 3860, this could be bought for an upside target of 4,200. I have a sell call on Bharat Forge. I think this stock is consistently making a strong low top, low bottom formation, as well as we have seen decent amount of short build up around 710, 720 trajectory. So on any recovery towards 705, 710, I think there will be a lot of pressure into the stock. So keeping 710 as a trading stop loss, this could be short for a downside target of 640 levels.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Ashish. Have a great day. That's JM Financial Services with their ideas. By the way, in pre-opening, a lot of stocks are moving around, so let's just point them out. Avenue Supermarts has reported its highest ever quarterly revenues, and that stock is up almost 1%. I think I saw it in pre-opening. Okay, now 3.5%. Look at that. M&M Finance has seen an improvement in asset quality. You have Angel One, which is looking very good. Its client base in September has gone up almost 78% year on year. So that stock is up almost about 2.5% right now. NCC has received some new orders worth almost 400 crores. And Marico is the only one that's sulking a tad bit. But Dipan Mehta is still with us. Dipan, these brokerage companies, right, ICICI Securities, Angel One, have been reporting pretty good numbers. Your thoughts on how to approach them from a long-term investor standpoint?
Sonia, I think Angel's numbers are spectacular. September was a very tough month for brokerages. It was a time when markets were highly volatile and a lot of investors made losses. And to report this kind of a growth in orders as well as new clients shows a very high degree of aggression on the part of the management, which needs to be appreciated. So this is one company which should be on the watch list. But on the whole, we're very positive on this entire stockbroking wealth management space, considering the number of new millionaires and billionaires which India is going to produce over the next few years or so. Another company which comes to mind, usual disclosure that we and our clients are invested, of course, is IIFL Wealth, which also has done pretty well over the last few quarters or so. And then there's Motilal Oswal also, which is gradually becoming more of a wealth manager. And of course, there's ICICI Securities. But all of these companies are going to do exceptionally well, and you could have volatility in their earnings because of stock market performance. But the long-term trajectory is going to be fantastic.
Okay, all right, Dipan, stay with us. We're 3 minutes into the pre-open, and it's panning out exactly like how we told. The SGX was telling us what 200 points higher, 17,100 is where the index is at right now. But Sonia, autos back in.